Alright guys, well we're just getting back from town and time to chain back up again. Now again, what you want to do, take your chain, open it up like this. Make sure that it's not all kinked up, make sure everything looks good, okay? You don't have to make too much, you don't have to spend too much time on it, but you get the idea. You want to make sure everything is nice, straight, they're not all kinked up. This one is looking good. You want the hook in the back of the tire, and you want the safety pin part facing you. Now, put it like this in the middle, grab it about equal distance apart, and put it right over the tire. Get it kind of like halfway. Make sure this is okay, make sure both sides are okay. Everything looks good on this one. You want the safety pin part out, and you want the hook part to the back of the tire. We're just going to take it like this, drape it right over, nice and easy. And you want it, you don't want it like this. You know, you don't, if you're driving it's weird looking, just organize it. Just push it back. Just like that.
You want to lay as even as you possibly can, so therefore you can get as tight as possible. Or once it'll pinch, it'll snag a little bit, and you'll end up having a little extra slack later, and it'll end up getting loose on you.
Now we'll just pull forward a little bit. If you go too far, this part rolls right off, so you don't want to go too far. Now, we're going to pull it straight again. I'm going to get my hook over here. Now this one, I'm going to put on the second hook. I'm going to grab my thing over here. That's it. Now, by the way, there are rubber pieces, which I fully recommend if you have them. It's like a gigantic rubber band, and it has little hooks, and it'll hook this and pull this together. It's a great idea to do that. The problem is they only last a couple years, and they get dry, rot, and break. So we're on like a low budget kind of farm, so we make do with what we've got, and this is what we've got. Again, we're going to repeat the same process on this side. I get the hook in my hand. I get my other piece over here. It looks like this is twisted over here, isn't it, Mike?
Yep.
Which way is that got to go?
Okay. Let's see here. I think right like this.
Okay.
Well, then again, these chains are tricky sometimes.
Yeah, I think you got it.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's not too bad.
I'm going to put this one on this side. I'm going to reach over, grab my other section. Make sure everything is nice. Put my safety pin in there. Pull it up.
Pull out all the slack.
Yeah.
It's looking good.
I could probably go one more hook. It may be kind of tight because I don't have the rubber band. It probably is a better idea. I'm gonna see what it feels like if I go one more link on this. That actually feels a lot nicer, but sometimes getting it hooked in is a real chore. Hang on a second. Maybe I can give myself a little bit more slack. It's supposed to actually go through there, but I guess this is bent. Over the years, things get stretched and bent a little bit. Here we go. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
John,
Oh,
you shouldn't take the chains off.
Yisham, who has more experience driving in snow than Santa? And have you ever seen chains on Santa's sleigh?
Dad, wouldn't putting chains on a sleigh defeat the purpose?
No, that's the whole point.
But we're not in a sleigh.
This is our sleigh.